This fully tape and textured home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with over 1,900 square feet. This home has 8.5-foot ceilings and tray ceiling with beams in the living room. There are 3 interior decor packages, including divine, onyx, and pecan. There are also 3 granite color options, including Luna Pearl, Black Pearl, and White Quartz. The kitchen and bathrooms both have Duracraft cabinets. This dream kitchen package includes stainless steel appliances. Yes, you can order a gas stove. There's one pantry in this kitchen, and then there is a butler's pantry off the utility room behind this beautiful barn door. Here's this super spacious utility room with deep washing sink off the back door, so it can also function as a mudroom. Let's check out the master. Spacious, the ceiling fan, lots of natural lighting. Behind the barn door is an amazing bathroom, double vanity, elongated toilet, standalone tub with free floating shelves, the Pfister faucet rain shower head, and huge walk-in closet. You get shirt and skirt shelving options in this closet. These guest bedrooms are spacious, which we'll show you after the bathroom. This guest bathroom is also spacious with a large transom window. You also get a walk-in closet in both of the guest bedrooms. Call me at the number below to get the process started. I hope you enjoyed this.